You are watching tomorrow's classrooms today. Writing lesson, writing an informative letter, mastery of the Cambridge IGCSE curriculum requirements, a scaffolded approach to guide students through the process of writing. Let's examine the reading and writing assessment objectives. First, the reading assessment objectives. Understand explicit meanings, interpret implicit meanings, critically evaluate and develop ideas supported by the text, use relevant information for specific purposes. Secondly, the writing assessment objectives. Clearly express thoughts, feelings, and imaginings, organize ideas and opinions effectively, employ appropriate vocabulary and sentence structures, adapt language register to the context, and maintain accurate spelling, punctuation, and grammar. Now let's discuss the criteria for reading. Although this is mainly an assessment of your writing skills, your writing will be based on reading text. Out of 25 available marks, 15 are awarded for your reading skills. This means the response provides a thorough evaluation with well-developed and variety of ideas, supporting details with a strong sense of purpose, effectively covering all key points with a convincing voice. Now let's discuss the criteria for writing. The quality of your writing will be assessed out of 10 marks using established writing standards, which demands the response uses a wide range of effective language, is convincing, ideas clearly expressed, well structured, and with minimal errors in spelling, punctuation, and grammar. The acronym informative helps capture the essential elements of an effective informative letter. Now to demonstrate your understanding of the features of an informative letter, match the features with their definitions. The first one is done for you. Pause the video and complete the rest. When finished, check your answers against the answer key. To begin with, let's break down the writing prompt. You will be given a scenario based on the themes of the reading text. You will be told the context, the format of your writing, and who you are writing for. You should always approach this question by reading the task carefully first and highlighting what is sometimes called a gap analysis or the 3 W's. First, the genre or what you are writing, a letter. Second, the audience or who you are writing for, to my parents. Third, the purpose or why are you writing, to reflect on my past experiences. Take note of the bullet points that tell you what to include in your letter. These instructions are reminders of how to write your answer. You should write between 250 and 350 words, which is 1.5 to 2 sides of A4 in standard handwriting. Read the text, highlight evidence or information relevant to the focus of each bullet point. Use color coding to differentiate each bullet point. Similarly, read part 2, highlight evidence or information relevant to the focus of each bullet point. Now plan your response. Turn what you have highlighted in the text into bullet points. Summarize the information or explicit ideas into implicit. Please note, bullet points become the topic sentence of each of the main paragraphs. Follow a similar process for other bullet points. Collate the explicit ideas, convert explicit ideas into implicit ideas, develop a topic sentence from the bullet point for the paragraph. The same process for the third bullet point. List the explicit ideas, transform explicit ideas into implicit ones. Think of a topic sentence for the paragraph based on the bullet point. Start writing your letter. The informative letter follows a specific structure. The paragraph references P1 to P9 indicate the sequence of paragraphs and their separation within the letter. Begin your letter with the date formatted appropriately. Include a salutation to address the recipient of the letter. State what you are writing about and why you are writing. Start each paragraph with an appropriate connective and topic sentence. Develop implicit ideas into complete sentences to complete body paragraphs for each bullet point. Conclude your letter by restating the scenario and a summary statement that includes the 3 bullet points. Close the letter with a closing statement, providing a follow-up action. Ensure you sign off with a complimentary close. The final draft of your letter should be structured somewhat like this. Now it's your turn. Write a 250 to 350 word letter based on the given prompt using the techniques you have already learnt. Remember, your writing will be judged based on the content you create and the style you write it. Read text A, read also text B and write your letter. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more IGCSE lessons and tips. Subscribe for more educational content. Like if you found this video helpful. Share this video with your peers. Comment on the video with your feedback. Let's master the art of writing and excel in Cambridge IGCSE exams.